Have you ever wondered why some WhatsApp accounts have a verified badge, while others don't? Understanding WhatsApp verification is essential for business owners and professionals who want to build trust and credibility. Let's demystify how Meta's verification system works, and how you can confidently apply for a verified badge through WhatsApp Business. Meta offers two main ways to verify accounts. Some are verified due to notability; they belong to recognized people, brands, or organizations. Others are verified through the Meta Verified subscription, a monthly service for eligible accounts. Regardless of the path, the coveted blue checkmark signals that Meta has authenticated the account's identity, either through activity across Meta platforms or through submitted documents. It's important to note, the Meta Verified for Business subscription on WhatsApp isn't yet available in every region, so check availability for your location. You won't see the verification option right away. First, you must meet Meta's eligibility requirements. These ensure your profile is complete and authentic. Let's review them. Your WhatsApp Business profile must be fully completed. Your name and profile photo should accurately represent your business. If you are a notable individual, two-step verification needs to be enabled for account security. You must maintain consistent activity, messaging, and healthy engagement with customers. Based on practical experience, the Meta Verified prompt typically appears after about 45 days of steady activity and engagement. When you're ready, you can check eligibility in your WhatsApp Business app. Head to Settings, look for the Meta Verified section, and see if you're eligible. For subscription-based verification, the requirements are straightforward: a clear profile photo, the correct business name, and active account usage with customer engagement. If the subscription feature appears, follow the prompts to subscribe and verify your account. If you're seeking notability-based verification via Meta Business Manager, go to the Business settings. Select Verified Name, and where prompted, submit documents to prove your business's legitimacy. The best document to submit is a bank statement. Meta widely accepts it, and it's proven successful in real cases. Once your verification request is submitted, Meta states the process can take up to 72 hours. However, most real-world cases are approved within minutes or up to 24 hours, so keep an eye on your email for notification. As you go through this process, beware of fake verification sellers. Only use Meta's official channels, never pay third parties offering verification services. Protect your business by staying vigilant. Let's recap. There are two WhatsApp verification paths: subscription-based and notability-based. To increase your approval chances, ensure your profile is accurate, enable two-step verification, and maintain consistent activity. Submitting a bank statement can expedite verification when proving notability. A verified badge opens doors to greater trust and engagement. By following these best practices, you're well on your way to securing the checkmark and building confidence with your customers.